Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing some Angry Birds. This is a new game. We haven't played Angry Birds on the channel because we've actually just started. 2 subscribers though. That's terrible. I know, but what we're gonna be doing is playing. Playing. We're gonna be trying to finish the whole Angry Birds. Every bit of it. Okay? If we do our goal for today's video is 1. Okay, I'm on 1963, probably like 90 now. I'm an alien. The Mighty League, yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm an alien. Don't care about the Mighty League. What is happening? Oh, there's feathers. What is happening? Easy peasy. That's normal. Okay, that was a pretty good score there. Okay. Nice, you just got a bazillion more stars. Okay. Yay! We did it! Good job! Good job, guys! We got a 4 again! Woo! Next! We've basically done the Mighty League. 6 pigs! Now it's just a minute. Die! That guy needs to die! Jesus, Joseph. Oh! I did not know you could do that! I could have done that like 1,000 times! Wow. Wow, good job. Good job, guys. We completed the first 3, which is probably quite good. Quite good. Okay, so we done Glass League. We got the Glass League. Training complete. A new sticker. It's like a gym badge. Okay. Yep, it's like gym badges in Pokemon. Okay, next. Nah. Episodes. I'm gonna do one of these in the video. I wanna do episodes. Poached eggs. I'm gonna just boom. You done one? Okay, sadly we're gonna have to end the video there. So goodbye guys.